The first juice we're going to make is my herbal green detox juice, and I love this one because it has a combination of basil and cilantro, which adds a really nice kick and detox element to this juice. So you'll need cucumber, spinach, basil, ginger, cilantro, lemon, green apple, and some celery. So you want to go ahead and cut up, wash everything, and I just like to put everything into a big bowl and just like chop it small enough so it fits into your juicer. I'm using this Jack LaLanne one. It's not an expensive one, but I'll link it down below, and it works really well for me. And I've actually got it as a hand-me-down from my boyfriend's mom, and it definitely does the trick. So I'm just going to keep throwing in all my fruits and veggies into the juicer until I've juiced everything up. Serve your green juice in a really cute mason jar and go ahead and drink this down. I love this recipe because it's a great beginner's juice recipe for anyone who's new to juicing or just wants a good basic green juice to try. The second juice we're going to be making is this purple antioxidant detox juice recipe, which I just love the color, and I have a fun twist I'm going to show you guys at the end. You're going to need 1 lime, some red cabbage, purple kale, red beets, and some mixed berries. You're going to go ahead, same thing, wash everything, chop everything up so it's easy to just kind of throw it into your juicer, and I'm just going to juice away, super easy. And see, juicing can be really simple and fun to do. So this is like the cool color that we ended up getting from this juice, and it ended up turning into this cool ombre purple color, which I loved, and Davida did an amazing job catching these shots. So thanks, Davida, for your awesome filming skills. Then we threw in the berries into a blender, blended everything up. Berries I don't really like to juice because they're kind of expensive, and I just feel like you might lose a lot of it in the pulp. So I just blend it up at the end. You can strain it if you want to get rid of the seeds, or you can just keep blending till it's smooth enough. I just loved the color of this juice, and I love the unique flavor of the berries and the beets together. Definitely a must try. The third juice we're going to be making is this really bright and just happy looking juice, and I call this my morning glow juice because it's a perfect juice to have first thing in the morning. You're going to need some carrots, oranges, turmeric, and you can buy this fresh or use powder, some ginger, lemon, and I'm using these golden beets. Once you have all your veggies washed and cut up, you can go ahead and start juicing. By now, you guys should be pros at this. So juice everything until you finished up all your produce. And I mean, you can totally play around this juice recipe if you want to add more of one thing because that's what you have in your fridge. You can totally do that with all 3 of these recipes. No matter what you do when you juice, you just kind of want to follow the 80-20 rule, 80% veggies, 20% fruit. Serve it up in a nice glass, and that's how you make this awesome morning glow detox juice.